Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're about to embark on a virtual journey to a picturesque location, Venice, Italy. So, let's not waste any time and jump right into it. Venice, Italy is a destination that should be at the top of your list. This quaint town is nestled along the coastline of the Adriatic Sea and boasts a charming historical center, making it an ideal spot for a leisurely walk. The town's culture and history are palpable in every nook and cranny. What makes Venice truly unique is its distinct dialect, which sets it apart from other towns in the area. The locals here are warm and welcoming, offering visitors a range of delectable cuisine like seafood pasta calamari and tiramisu that will tantalize your taste buds. But Venice isn't just about food. It also offers breathtaking views of the Adriatic Sea from its beaches. The town is home to numerous resorts for various budgets, making it an affordable getaway. And if you're an adventure seeker or aspire to become one, Venice offers ski resorts for you to explore. And that wraps up our tour of Venice, Italy. If you enjoyed this virtual journey, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more captivating content. Until next time, happy travels!